Diğer teker yok.
Look at that logging truck. Its wheels seem to have disappeared, sinking deep into a massive mud pit as if swallowed whole by nature. The container tilts precariously, and no matter how hard the driver tries, every effort seems futile. This is the harshness of nature, the ironic situations that loggers are forced to face. For them, each day is an endless battle, where willpower, skill, and patience are the only weapons to overcome challenges and survive in this unforgiving world.
Tamam, böyle iyi.